Hello, my loves! Welcome sa YouTube channel ko. Let's turn this tofu into a special dish. To start, let's cut this tofu into small dice. Handle with care lang my loves. Tofu lang yan. Good job! Welcome, this is Stevie. Payakap naman! Next ay magpakulo na tayo ng tubig. And you just add 1 tablespoon of salt at ilagay na ang ating mga tofu. Yan, this is the best way para maalis yung anumang amoy dyan sa gilid-gilid ng tofu. Gilid-gilid ng tofu para maalis yung amoy. Ay, naluto na pala ang tofu sa kakadaldal ko. Ayan, i-drain na natin yung tofu. Alisin natin yung water. Set aside muna natin sila. Now we make our sauce. 1 to 2 tablespoon of soy sauce. 1 to 2 tablespoon of oyster sauce. We have chili paste or chili. Depende sa gusto nyong spice. And we add the minced garlic. And 1 to 2 tablespoon of sugar. 1/2 tablespoon of white pepper, and we have 1/4 cup of water, and we mix them together. Mix. Let's go back to our tofu and we add 1 egg. Yeah, let's crack the egg and then we mix again. Pwedeng shake till we spread the egg to all the tofu. Yan. Now we prepare the pan and we add oil para magprito na tayo ng ating mga tofu. Yes. Fry naman tayo ngayon. There. And malalaman natin pagluto ng ating tofu is that they are color light brown, both sides nila. Yan, golden brown. Here you go. Once golden brown na, let them take them out. Yan, strain them. And then we prepare the same pan. Magsaute naman tayo ng garlic. And we then add our sauce on it. Ayan. Mix lang. And then we add our tofu. Okay. Nako, magugustuhan nyo talaga tong special dish na to. And then, mix lang natin. And sa low flame, for 2 minutes, you will see nasisipsipin ng tofu yung sauce natin. And then, yung flavor mapupunta na talaga sa tofu. Smells good talaga. Para sa special occasion, pwedeng-pwede talaga to. Okay, my loves. Ayan. Let's add the red bell pepper. Dahil nasipsip na lahat ng tofu yung ating sauce. And there we go. Smells good and all done. My loves, thank you for watching. Kindly read this verse. God bless and stay safe.